Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Instagram link is not opening in WhatsApp, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some quick fixes to solve this problem. Firstly, open the Settings app. Now, at the top, tap on the Search settings and search for Default apps. Now, click on Default apps. From here, click on Default apps. Now, click on Opening links. Now scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Now click on it. After this, tap on the toggle against opening supported links to turn it on. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.